Hello YouTube, this is Sonic2GK here, and welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about multiple class subclassing, or multiple inheritance as it is sometimes called, the IsInstance method, and the IsSubclass method. So, first of all, let's talk about multiple inheritance. Well, I probably should have pre-prepared this, but let's just write some code defining class. Let's make a let's call it alien, and it'll subclass object, and let's just say pass. And then let's make a class and call it person, and then let's have person inherit from alien. So alien will or person will have all the methods that object has, as well as all the stuff that alien has, as I have explained previously. And then if we go down here and we say class, and we say human, and then we say person, we could also say alien. If we wanted to do this, we could. So even though person or human would already have all the things the person has, we can say person and alien. So it will have everything that alien has and the person has. Even if person, let's just say person doesn't get things from alien. And we'll put a method in here and say def destroy world. Say print destroying your world. Kill all, I'll have it be capital, kill all humans, bender rules. There we go. And let's say here def surrender to aliens. Print we surrender to the almighty bender. And that's probably spelt wrong, is it? Yes, typo, change to almighty. It didn't change. Here, change to almighty. There we go. And then let's say here pass. And then if we say P A equals alien, P equals person, and E equals human, we say A dot destroy world. We try to say P dot destroy world doesn't exist. We only have surrendered aliens, but we can say E dot destroy world and E dot surrender to aliens. And this is because person did not inherit from alien. Actually, person should have object here. Person did not get everything alien has. It only had everything that object has. But human has everything that person has and that alien has. Hopefully that makes sense. Basically just inheritance, but from multiple classes. Let's just delete this. So now let's talk about the IsInstance and IsSubclass. So let's say if IsInstance E of alien, print human is an alien. We run, it'll say human is an alien. So what does this do? Well, this says if IsInstance E alien, print human is an alien. So IsInstance accepts an instance and the class type. So it'll basically check to see if the instance or object E is of the class type whatever you specify here. In this case it's alien, and then this will return true. So if the human class, if the human object that we have created is an instance of alien, if it has subclass alien, if it has things that alien has, and since it inherits from it, then it is an instance of alien as well as person. It will say print human as a person because it returns true, and of course it will return true because human is an instance of alien because it has everything that alien has. It inherited from alien. then it will print Eamon is alien. Eamon is an alien. We could also say if is subclass the class, let's just say Eamon of alien. We could say print Eamon is a sub being of an alien. And then this will return true, because what is subclass does takes a class type, not a class type, a class, and checks it to see if it inherits or if it is a subclass of a certain class. So this accepts a class that you want to check to see if it's a subclass. So is subclass will say, okay, Eamon, are you a subclass of alien? Yes, you are. So Eamon is a sub being of alien. But then we could also say if is subclass Eamon person, print Eamon is a person. Eamon is a person. Then we could say if is subclass Eamon alien and is subclass Eamon person. If I can type, I apologize, like half 11. Print Eamon is a person and an alien. The world is not a safe place anymore. Not that it ever was. And then if we run this, say Eamon is an alien. The world is not a safe place anymore. Not that it ever was. Because Eamon is a subclass of alien and it is a subclass of person. If we say if is subclass person, I don't know if I ever talked about and. I think I did talk about and. If not, it basically just checks to see if this is true and if this is true, and both sides of the if statement have to be true before it returns a true response. So is subclass person, alien. That was just my phone going off. I apologize. I set up the other mail client recently and it makes that weird noise and it scares the crap out of me. Print this should not print. I pressed Command B and it, as you can see, it didn't print. But if we said if not, and not basically just takes whatever response it returns and it changes it, so if this returns true, then this will turn it into false, basically. So this will return true, or this will return false, and this basically just checks to see it will return false. Yeah, is subclass will return false, and this basically just says if not subclass. So if person is not a subclass of alien, then this should print. And we can also just right click and hit run. This should print because it does, because person is not a subclass of alien. So I suppose all these topics kind of went hand in hand. I kind of planned it that way in case you couldn't tell, but it worked better than I expected. So as you can see, you can inherit multiple times, and then you can just use these methods to check if something is an instance of another object, and if it is a subclass, if a certain class is a subclass of another class, if it inherits from another class. These are also called parent and child classes sometimes. It will be parent and child. And if it inherits multiple times, if it subclasses something, then normally it's called an instance of that object. So if you have a class that subclasses an alien class, then its class is an instance of that alien class. And with person as well, it's a person instance as well, just in case you didn't gather that. So that's why it's an object instance, because all objects, whenever you do this, inherit from object. Also in Python 3, I think I said this in the classes tutorial, you do not need to subclass object. That is not needed. It already does that automatically, I think. Either that or it's not needed. But you don't need to do it anyway, and I don't think you can do it anyway in Python 3. Python 3 is awesome. But yeah, hopefully you understood this tutorial. If there's anything you didn't understand, please leave a comment and I will be happy to help you, because I am kind of tired because it's like 11:30. So it might not have been the best, this tutorial, but fingers crossed it was. I think it was very good. But, you know, of course, I'm making these tutorials, so of course I would think it's good. But anyway, Thank you for watching this tutorial. Leave a like if it helped you, share it with your friends, subscribe, blah blah blah. My name is Standard2KK, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.